This is me, broke, and I have no money and wanting to start a business venture. Don't worry, Captain Barkley is there to save the day. Welcome to my channel, people. If you have been searching for a way to use money on your credit card instead of using the gift card method, I got you. In this video, we're gonna talk about a service called Plastiq. We are talking about the Plastiq service that you can get money from your credit card directly in your bank account, so you can spend on whatever you want, buy whatever you want, do whatever you want, pay your rent, pay your car note, pay your loan, pay your mortgage. Yes, that Plastiq. In this video, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use their service. So what is Plastiq service? Plastiq service is a platform that allows you to pay cash that you wouldn't be able to use your card. It's either your debit card or your credit card. Yes, this is a service that facilitates that. By doing such, they allows you to receive the payment via check, ACH, and wire transfer. With this service, they also allows you to make payments globally as well. So if you're here in America and you want to make a payment in Africa, you can also do that because they're doing this and it is acceptable worldwide. So let's dive into the meat of the matter. And I've used this service before, and I'm telling you, it's very fast and effective. So bear in mind, there's a fee though. Nobody does anything for free nowadays, so there's a fee, and the current fee is 2.9% of whatever value you're trying to convert from your credit card to cash. Okay, and this service is very good. I'm not gonna lie, some people might say the fees are high, but trust me, for what it does, I'm telling you, it's well worth it. So if you want a service like this and you have been searching just like me, because that's how I came across this, I was looking for a service instead of going to like Walmart or the Simon Marl or wherever to get gift cards, and I am not a fan of that, to be honest. So this service just gives me the benefit and the wow factor, where I'm like, damn, I have to let you guys know about this service. Okay, so if you are searching for some more capital to put in your business and you have credit card, whether it's business credit card or personal credit card, this service can definitely help you with that. So if you really want some funding, I am strongly suggesting that you look into this service. Okay, and this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but you know, I got to let you know what's up and what services are available for us, all of us. Wink 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 wink. I need to caution you guys, because guess what, you can't send money to yourself. Okay, don't worry. Oh, I know about that. Okay, don't worry about that. You can't send the money directly to yourself. Okay, so my advice to work around that right now, stick around to the end and I will tell you how you can work around that if you want the money to yourself. I got you. Okay, moving on. So they're saying that their service, the benefits of Plastiq Pay, credit cards take payments to a higher gear. So when they say profit first and pay later, basically they're saying that whenever you use their service, you are getting the money right away, so you can do whatever you want with it. Then you pay that card off later. Okay, so don't get it twisted. It's not no free money. You still have to pay it back. Okay, you have to pay it back. And their rate is, according to them, their rates are better than the regular or the conditional loans that you will normally take from a bank. But what I'm saying is, for the convenience, I'm not gonna lie, it's very reasonable. And I know a lot of you guys might say the fees are high, but definitely it's worth a try. You know, even give it a try and see what it's like. Okay, and also when you use this service, you also can get your points and your benefits that you will get from your credit cards, like your cash back and your points, so you can travel. Yes, this service also lets you benefit that way as well. And this service is also good because it's allowing you to use funds that if you will go to a traditional bank to get a loan, you'd have to sign a contract and all of that. And this service also just cut that process in half. You only have to sign up with them and use your card, and it just, you know, it acts as a middleman so you can benefit. Because I think it's really good knowing that, hey, I can just go on the website or download the app and just go baps and select the card that I want to take the money from and then use it back. My process in using this card, I will wait until my statement balance is posted to my account, then use the card, because within that time frame I would have like 50 days to make a payment. At least the minimum payment, I have 50 days. Okay, so I'm telling you, this service is really good. It's really good. It's worth the look out. So, but don't take my word for it. Do your own research. Okay, do your own research and let me know in the comment section if you have been searching for a service like this so you can flip the money and make some profit. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, and also if you're getting any value at all from this video, please bounce that like button for me. Okay, thank you. Here's a list of credit cards that this service is compatible with, because not all of them allows you to use Plastiq with their cards. So Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, those are the top cards. Those are the top card companies that Plastiq is compatible with. So if you have any one of those cards, yes, you're good to go. You're just ready to go and sign up. And if you don't have any, credit card, or you want to start building credit, here's a video you can definitely check out so you can start building credit and get credit cards so you can use it on Plastiq and make that money and flip it and make profits and get wealthy.